Hey everyone, welcome back to Carreview Hub 2025. The wait is finally over and Nissan has done it again. The 2026 Nissan Z is here and it's turning heads everywhere it goes. If you're a fan of Japanese sports cars or just someone who loves the idea of raw performance wrapped in sleek design, this car is going to have you grinning ear to ear. Today on Carreview Hub 2025, we're diving deep into the brand new Z, looking at the design, the interior, the power under the hood, and everything else that makes this car stand out in 2026. So buckle up, because this is gonna be fun. Right off the bat, the exterior styling grabs your attention. Nissan has taken the heritage lines we've come to love from the Z lineup and sharpened them for the modern era. The long hood and short rear deck scream classic sports car, but the sculpted body panels and aerodynamic creases keep it looking fresh. Up front, you've got that squared-off grille, now slightly refined with a more aggressive mesh pattern. The LED headlights feature that familiar semi-circular daytime running light signature, which pays tribute to the old 240Z while still feeling futuristic. Around back, the taillights continue the retro-inspired look with a horizontal layout that stretches across the rear fascia. It's muscular but sleek, aggressive yet elegant. Nissan's also rolling out some amazing color choices for 2026. The vibrant yellow that made a splash on earlier models is back, along with a deep metallic blue and even a new matte gray option that really accentuates the body lines. Throw in some contrasting black roof and mirror coupe options, and this thing looks stunning from every angle. The wheel designs are another highlight. 19-inch forged alloys on the higher trims with a dark finish that fills the wheel wells perfectly, while base models still get stylish 18-inch sets that don't look cheap at all. Now step inside, and the 2026 Z continues to impress. The cabin strikes a beautiful balance between modern tech and driver-focused simplicity. The dashboard is low and wide, giving you a commanding view of the road, and right in front of the driver sits a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster with customizable layouts. You can toggle between classic round dials for that old-school feel, or switch to performance mode that highlights the tach and boost gauge right in the center. The seats are heavily bolstered sport buckets wrapped in leather and suede, designed to hold you in place during spirited driving, but still comfortable enough for longer trips. Higher trims offer heated and ventilated options, along with contrast stitching that matches your exterior paint color for a nice touch. In the center stack, you'll find Nissan's 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's crisp, responsive, and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The physical knobs for climate and volume are still here, thankfully, because not everything needs to be buried in a touchscreen menu. Cargo space is about what you'd expect from a two-door sports car. Not massive, but enough for a couple of duffel bags or a grocery run if you're practical. Of course, what really matters is what's under the hood. The 2026 Nissan Z continues with its twin-turbocharged 3-liter V6, now tuned to push out around 420 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. That's a slight bump from last year, and it makes the Z even more thrilling. You can choose between a slick 6-speed manual transmission, yes, Nissan is still giving enthusiasts what they want, or a quick-shifting 9-speed automatic for those who want everyday ease. 0 to 60 times are expected to be in the mid-4-second range, and with a properly tuned suspension and rear-wheel drive setup, the handling is razor-sharp. Nissan has tweaked the suspension geometry for 2026, giving it better stability at high speeds without sacrificing cornering agility. Fuel economy isn't going to blow anyone away, but mid-20s on the highway is reasonable for a car with this kind of performance. Technology and safety are also a big step forward. Standard driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. You also get Nissan's ProPilot Assist on higher trims, which helps with semi-autonomous driving in highway conditions. Connectivity is strong too. Wireless charging, a premium Bose audio system that really makes your playlists come alive, and over-the-air software updates to keep the car fresh over time. So, how much does all this fun cost? The 2026 Nissan Z starts at just under $44,000 for the base sport trim, which already gives you a solid mix of performance and features. Step up to the performance trim at around $52,000, and you get the bigger wheels, upgraded brakes, limited slip differential, and a more advanced infotainment setup. At the top, there's the Nismo variant, pushing closer to $62,000, but with even more aggressive aerodynamics, stiffer suspension tuning, and unique styling cues. Considering what you're getting in terms of performance and heritage, these prices feel competitive against rivals from Toyota, Ford, and even some European brands. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Nissan Z is exactly what we hoped it would be. A modern sports car that honors its past while embracing the future. It looks incredible, it drives like a dream, and it packs enough technology to keep it relevant for years to come. If you're in the market for something that blends excitement, heritage, and value, the Z should absolutely be on your shortlist. That wraps up today's review of the 2026 Nissan Z here on Carreview Hub 2025. I want to know what you think. Does Nissan's latest Z live up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.